The microbiome can contribute phenomenally to our health, and we do know that there's a strong gut-brain axis, strong gut-heart axis, kidney axis, so the health of our gut can be extremely important. There's this disruption of the coagulation pathway, so that coagulation pathway is very important when you have vessels that are forming in the central nervous system, and that affects the vascularization of the central nervous system, so that if you want to give that brain enough food and oxygen to develop properly so you get proper synaptogenesis, you need to feed it properly. And so not having angiogenesis can lead to many other effects. There's hyperinflammation, we know that. There's the immune overreaction. Those are things that we've measured already. The other thing that we're picking up is that there is this mitochondrial dysfunction, so that there's a low energy level in the central nervous system. It can also be somewhat related potentially to the lack of energy feeding into it, but it also seems to be something going on with the mitochondrial system. So we don't know how this all goes together yet, but I think over time and working with more and more individuals, we can start to understand and start to make better efforts in correcting. The other thing we're able to do, because there's so many great signals around things that affect our central nervous system, is that we can support adults with anxiety and depression